Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use the Temu Pick 5 Free Game 2026. So the Temu Pick 5 Free Game, often called 5 Free Gifts, is an in-app promotional event where you can actually go ahead and select items and reduce their combined price to absolutely zero by inviting friends to click your referral link. All you need to do is open your Temu application or go to the website, and you want to simply go ahead and head to the U tab. Make sure that you are logged in into your account. Finally, once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and choose the earn credits and free gift section. That should be around your application. However, at the moment, as you can see, that promotion is not going on. So in my screen, it's not available. But if it is going on at the moment, it's going to be right over here. All you need to do is browse the available catalog and select exactly 5 items to win, and you will be given a starting discount, usually by flipping a card to drop the total. Afterwards, you must reduce the remaining balance to zero by inviting your friends, and they should purchase with the application as well. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.